Oh my god!
Onion cheese.
It's looking a bit bleak today, not gonna lie, very cloudy. It has potential to be paradise, but just need that sun to come through. No idea what we're gonna do today. Gonna strut back, get some breakfast, and come up with a plan like we always do. There is trips and fucking jet skis and all that bollocks. I'm sure it'll be a fucking day full of carnage, don't you worry about that. Yeah, so fucking next clip me doing something a bit more fun.
And put it all in your mouth Is that good?
That is filthy. Oh. And now we're gonna go do something I've never done before. So we're gonna go paragliding. And it looks fucking sick. They're everywhere. So yeah, see you there.
Can we drive down here?
That's an ick. I can't wait for this sun to come properly out because the water is blue as it is, so fucking, let alone when it's fully sunny. But this place is pretty sick. I think, from what I'm guessing, this is where all the Filipinos come on holidays. It's very different to Borbor and Cebu and that, but still fucking cool nonetheless. We've got we've got a boat onto a floating boat, and the floating boat is a tourist farm. Honestly, they sell food on here. Loves a tourist farm. Honestly, you sniff them out, by the way. What have we got here? Just a greedy fucking pig. I'm looking at this crap food on this boat, and I'm thinking, oh, should I get something? What's wrong with me? Is that normal or what? I don't think it is. I don't think it is. Just a fat, greedy bastard. Bit scared, don't tell Meg.
Oh no. Oh, this side.
Thank you. Thank you.
Up.
Oh, up.
Oh.
Yeah, all here in the legs.
Okay. I think
Enjoy.
bye bye. Oh my god. Ah. Woo!
At least it just doesn't go straight down.
I know, I was expecting to fly around. Oh.
Right. 1, 2.
3.
1, 2.
Meg's in charge of 360 footage.
1, 2.
I don't know if it's comfy or like absolutely not comfy. Oh, this is well nice. It's like
a human job.
yeah, like a little piece of meat, like an absolute rotisserie chicken just getting flung around the place.
I do feel it.
Ah, I just wasn't expecting this today.
I wonder how we like come down.
It's only one way to find out.
I'm fucking.
He said with the camera, for God's sake. It was up over your shoulder.
I did that.
Over your shoulder. Do it again. This is what I'm working with for content, Jim. Oh my god! It's got really windy and high. Oh my god.
I'm so scared.
Fucking hell, ain't we? I mind.
I'm really
My legs
scared.
are going dead. Is this normal? Comment below. Is this is this normal?
I am shitting myself.
Oh, like a piece of meat.
Honestly, when I say
Floating round like a
worst thing I've
piece
ever
of
done.
meat. Stop whinging, it's
Al,
fun.
what do you mean stop whinging? I can't help it, I'm fucking shitting myself. This is so scary. And I gotta hold this fucking log.
How flattering this is. Feels just like there should be something under my ass.
I know.
Both my legs, I don't want to complain because I'm having, this is fun. But like both my legs are completely dead now.
Like.
I feel like the guy off Little Britain. Yeah. Oh, we're landing. Oh no.
Oh my god, we're going in.
Splash zone.
We're going in. Oh my god, we have
like a piece of
I
meat.
didn't realize we'd be in the water.
Hello, brother. We're back.
Nice landing.
Andrew. Hey, very good. Thank you. And there we are, back on land. Dropped off right outside the best sports bar of all time, TGH, the Grill House. I could sit in there and sink 12 more beers. Could that be what we do for the rest of the day? I mean, we definitely could. There's not like a law against it. People are doing it. I'm generally such a fat bastard. Sport fans. I cannot be stopped. I'm like a crack addict, honest to God. Sorry about the noise, I don't know what the fuck is going on. But this is what we've got. Absolutely brimmed with pistachio. After a eventful day of just random, it's been a random day actually, isn't it? Like it's been a long random day, which I love, find it funny. Now we're just looking for somewhere to eat. To be honest, none of us are really hungry. We're just gonna walk up here. Hello, no, thank you, bro. We're just gonna walk up here. It's just restaurants and bars gone for miles. Full, no thank you. Tourist farms. And yeah, probably find somewhere nice-ish. And yeah, let's see what we get up to. I am well excited for this. All this for
£3.72.
£10.50. But that looks mental. That looks so good. That looks good. I'm excited.
How's your food?
10.
Absolutely demolished it.
We scrambled it all. And Meg is
I
a
didn't
veggie.
have any.
Meg's a veggie, so she couldn't even have a scratch.
I'm not.
I say, right, there's so many different restaurants here. So we've gone to a restaurant for me to eat, and now we've come to an Indian for Meg to eat, and her food looks, oh, thank you, no thank you. And Meg's food looks absolutely insane. And she doesn't really eat much, so I'm basically going to get a second dinner in here. Unless she gets it to take away, but composure, let's get into it, let's get aggressive here. That is so good. So good.
That's
Lush. Whose foods do you think look nicer, mine or Meg?
Meg.
It's an easy winner, that is. I'm sorry. This does look good though, especially for an Indian. You can't be that full. Look how much you got left. Huh?
You eat.
Fine. Alright.
It's only a little one, he says. What are we thinking? Do we satisfy you?
See, Meg won't eat from any of these stalls unless maybe there's a sweet treat one that looks really nice. However,
Pig smoke.
I will eat from every single one of them stalls, and sometimes there's stuff I don't even know what it is or what it looks like, and it smells a bit funky, but my curiosity takes over and I have to try it. So I feel like, is that normal? Or is that normal to want to try stuff like that, or is it not? I don't know. Sorry, but what is this filth?
That sounds nice.
This
White
stuff?
chocolate chimney corn.
Oh my god. Which one's the best one?
The bueno, sir.
The Bueno's the best one.
And mango cinnamon also.
Oh, that does sound filth. And what, you can have different cones?
Pistachio chimney cake, Nutella.
Oh my god. Oh, which one?
Which one? Are you just
I'm having one. I'm having one. To the extreme, yeah.
You said you were going to be sick just
I
now.
know, I could easily go sick. But it looks too good. You have one.
No.
You have some mine, yeah.
Yeah.
And that one, sir, we have vanilla and cinnamon. Which one do you want?
Oh. What, because you want some?
Yeah.
Vanilla, please. Yeah, thank you. Alright, I'll put this in the bin.
This is pistachio cream.
That looks
You put
unreal.
it inside and outside also. Here you go. Yeah.
That looks absolutely splash.
Yes.
Ah. Look at them. If you used to have one now, which one would you have?
Sorry, it's just
Fucking scratchy food. Look at it.
Dubai chocolate one. Probably either the Dubai or the Boracay.
400 these are. It's quite expensive actually. But she is making it with love as well. Come on, Superman. Did you get a spoon?
Yeah.
I haven't had a bite of it yet. You've got to be careful with Meg, see, she doesn't have much, but she will definitely have all the best bits of it.
Pistachio is just stunning. What's inside it then?
Oh, huh?
So there was shit inside it?
Yeah, she filled it with ice cream. It's actually really, really nice. Oh, also, I need to buy a toothbrush because, like, not that we're like luxury backpacking here, because we're not, but when I book these hotels, they're like, especially Asia's standards, they're like bougie hotels, and I just expect a toothbrush to be in there, so I don't even bring one from home. However, the last 2 hotels haven't had them, so I've lived off like chewing gum. Why am I publicly deframing myself? Of chewing gums and mouthwash, and I've used Meg's twice.
Have you?
Yeah.
You haven't.
I have.
No, you actually
I
haven't.
have. Jen, twice.
You said to me, you asked me earlier if you could use my toothbrush, and I said no. That's why I draw the line. Silly fuck.
And this is the good bit. Sorry, we're back.
Yeah. Before Alex saw this, he said, I'm going to make myself sick because he had... What did you say?
No, I like went to burp and sick come out my mouth. And you have to like swallow it. I was like, oh my god, I'm gonna be sick. And then I saw this filthy place and thought, wow. The rest is history. That looks good. Look at the ratio between biscuit
That is good.
biscuit.
And cheese.
It's just so biscoffy and filled with love. Oh, it's got some weight on it as well.
So you've just been in here. because it was pink and Alex spotted it from a mile away.
I don't know how this happened.
This is his third dessert of the evening, right?
Is it?
Isn't it?
Right, guys, I had a cheesecake earlier. This is all the same day as well, by the way. Right, let's... Meg's in luck. Otherwise, I was going to have to use hers 3 nights in a row.
No.
Right.